Hello. How many auntie you have? 7. 3 are left. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Oh yeah. Okay. You are correct. You are punctual. Monday. Let's wait for the others for a while. Only 2 minutes. That is all. Okay. Where did I stop?
Student book, page number 148.
Students book, page 1. By the way, did you see the two worksheets in the group chat? Have you checked?
In Viber or Telegram?
Bye.
I don't know if I remember, teacher.
Oh. I must send it to Telegram. Okay. So wait a minute. Okay, later I will send. Everybody, yesterday we stopped.
Recording in progress.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
And we finished up to page 145. And we have started fishing like the village find the sea. The flood, yeah. We are supposed to start from the village find the sea. The village find the sea. I want to start from number 2. What impression is the author trying to give? So let's discuss that. And yesterday we discussed a little bit through the picture. Sumya, Tashwizing, could you please tell me your impression?
I think the author gives the anxiety and hopeless impression. Cause the story in the story, the woman is a really hopeless about their village, and then she can only pray.
Okay. How about Suyati? What do you think? By looking at the pictures.
I think it's a village and like I think we discussed yesterday. I'm not sure, but
Yeah.
village after the
You
flood
mentioned
or
the
tsunami.
you mentioned the fallen tree, right? Did you mention the fallen tree? So through the picture, what could you guess? Life near the village find the sea. Life in the village find the sea. How about the letter?
I answer like nostalgic feeling and life of a girl who lived in Kota village of India.
How about Su Yitong? Your impression on the picture. As you have already read the test, you might combine your ideas.
I think it shows the nature of the village.
The nature of the village by the sea. You could learn the life of the people who live in the village by the sea, right? There are many things that you can learn. Okay, so you have already read the test, the village by the sea. I will let you read the names of the words and some good words in the list. Yes. That's who I'll start reading. Read the names of the verb. How Gavin?
Yes.
Read Carl. Are you ready?
I have no ideas. Which one?
Page 149. Page 149. I let you read the words.
Oh yeah. What meaning?
Yeah. No need. The first one.
The flat of her hand.
No. Pictures first. Carl.
Call her sandpaper. Sandpaper. Hibiscus. Sandpaper.
Flowers.
Hibiscus flowers.
Hibiscus flowers.
Hibiscus flowers. Or spider lilies. Almond flowers. Coconut palm trees.
Okay, so start from the next one. Sinam, you read.
The flat of her hand turned upwards and thrust up, plucked a flower, picked a word used in books but not usually in conversation, tugged, pushed the edge of a piece of the cloth into a small space, waited, walked through water, and swirling, moving around and around, swirling, moving around and around quickly, cluster, a group of similar things that are close together.
Okay, let's continue. Tashu is in go.
How to pronounce swirling?
Huh? Which one?
Yes, word.
P-A-U-B-E-D, dobbed.
Yeah, dropped. Paid quickly.
Read
Paid that quickly without care. Consecrated, made holy.
Scattered.
Spread over a wide area. Slanting at an angle. At an angle. Sparkles. Small reflections of light. Spread out. I mean STRETCH. How to pronounce this?
That is stretched.
Stretched. Spread out. Anchor, when a boat is stopped from moving by another. Anchor.
Stopped. When a boat is stopped from moving by an anchor. Say again.
When a boat is stopped from moving by an anchor.
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 Okay. So I just review a little bit. Now I will go to number 3. Answer these questions about the vocabulary. Answer these questions about the vocabulary the author uses. How many words in the extract can you find to do with the natural one? So start with landscape. Concerning landscape, Deleta, besides beach, could you please tell me some words?
Coast and sea.
Beach. The other one is
Yeah.
coast.
Coast. Yes.
And also sea. Where do
Sea.
you see? Coast. Where?
Wait. Coast. Oh, line number 5, there's coast, and line number 6, there's like he walked down to the sea.
Yes. So they all are related to the landscape. Anyone who wants to put more? Are they all?
Garden.
Garden. Yes. Where do you see garden?
Secrets. On line number 9.
Yes. Line number 9, garden. Anything else?
Yeah, what about house?
House is not landscape. It's something concerned with buildings. So don't put house. Anything else? The whole class, I'm asking the whole class.
Rock.
Yes, rock. Where?
Line number 23.
Yeah, line number 23 and also line number 18, 19. 3 rocks. So yeah, it is something concerned with landscape. Yeah, rocks. You could see the rocks at the beach, right? Anything else?
Line number
Sand.
25, 26.
Sand.
28.
Yes, correct. Sand. Where do you see sand?
Line number 3.
Line number 3, sand. Yes.
Aditya, coconut palms.
It will go to plants and trees.
Oh,
Wait a minute. I'm just finding the words that are related to landscape. Okay, I think it is enough. Now, the words that are related to sea. Su, Priya.
The more related to sea, the first one is the example tide. The second one I found is wave, and the third one is siege, and the
Wait.
fourth one is sand.
Tide, and the other one,
Tide,
go slowly.
siege, wave, sand, rock.
Tide, another one.
Beach.
Oh, beach. You mean beach?
Yes. Wave and
Wait, beach, well,
yeah.
Beach is related to landscape.
Can we like?
It is
I
related.
thought sea and related is I just put anything related.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beach, yeah. It can be for both. Okay, anything?
Sand and rock.
Huh?
Sand.
Sand. Okay,
Yes.
sand, correct.
Rock.
Rocks. Okay,
Yeah, rocks.
anything else? Anyone who wants to put for C?
Waves.
Yes, correct. Waves. Wave.
Coast and also
Coast. Yeah, you can put coast, of course, if you put beach. Coast. You can put coast. How about waves? Where do you see, Dilita? Waves.
Line number 31st.
I cannot go up and down, so just look at the book. Yeah, line number 31, you could see waves. So it is related to C. Okay, now let's go to animals. Animals, wait. Sinanyu, will you please tell me about the animals? Sinanyu, are you with me?
Goose,
Girl. Girl.
duck,
And next one, say. You must be
I-
able to distinguish the animals, plants, like that.
bat.
Wait, will you please tell me the line numbers?
Line number 4, bat.
4, 5. Okay. So could you please say more? Birds, gulls,
Line number 5, curlew
kalu,
and sandpiper.
sandpipers. Anything else? Are they all?
Uh,
Anyone who wants to put more? Concerning the animals? Yeah, say.
No, teacher.
I can't hear you.
It is a sandpipers. It finished, right?
Finished already. They all are different types of birds, right? Different types of birds. Anything else? I think that's all. Let's go to plants and trees. On Champai. Plants and trees.
Coconut palm tree.
Yes, coconut palm tree. Anything else? Any other plants and trees? There are a lot.
Like spiders,
spider
spider
lily.
lilies, salamander flowers, hibiscus flowers.
Spider lilies, correct. Alamander flowers, correct. Any other? How about hibiscus flowers?
Yes.
I think in the countryside, this type of flowers very plentiful. Hibiscus flowers. All right. Anything else? Are they all? Okay. Next, number 2. How many words for colors can you find? There are some color words. Okay. This time, Sumin, can you tell me some color words?
Line number.
Wait, Sumin, say louder. I can't hear you clear.
In line number 9, scarlet. In line number 11, bright better yellow.
Now, I will help you. 9 scarlet and 11 butter yellow. Anything else? Bright butter yellow. Anything else?
Red.
First of all, I want to discuss
In line 18, red. And line 19, white.
line 18. Red and white, okay. 18, 19. Red and white. Anything else?
And in line number 31, pink.
31 pink. How about I think you skipped some. Wait. Could you please give me more colors?
Silvery.
Yes, correct. Silvery. Where do you see silvery?
Teacher, line number 27.
Mm. Yeah, later we will discuss the name of the color and correct. And anyone who wants to put
Pink. Line number
Pink is
31.
finished. Pink is finished.
How about mauve?
Yes, correct. So there are some colors. Some colors like MAUVE. Do you see line number 33? The rest are quite familiar with you. There are 2 or 3 colors that we need to discuss. The first, we need to discuss. The first one, scarlet. What kind of color is scarlet, everyone?
Reddish pink.
Reddish, yes. It's quite similar to red, okay? Reddish. Scarlet means red, sort of red color. And silvery. Yeah, do you know silver, by the way? Do you know silver?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that is my favorite. Silvery. That color is my favorite. And how about pink? You know it. And then how about mauve? How about mauve? What kind of color is mauve? Pale purple. You know purple?
Yes.
Yeah, but it is quite pale. Bright purple is really beautiful, but I don't like pale purple. But some might like pale purple. That is called mauve. Bright yellow, bright better yellow. I hope everybody knows yellow color. Bright better yellow. Sort of yellow. Any color that you don't know, please ask me. I hope you know all. So now I will go to next. Find 2 compound adjectives in the extract. This time, sweet home. Can you tell me 2 adjectives that you could find?
Sweet smelling and bright better yellow.
Two compound adjectives. Correct. Sweet smelling. Line number 10. Everybody look at line number 10. Sweet smelling. Bright, better yellow. So the idea is that whenever you describe nouns, you need to use some adjectives so that people can visualize things in their mind. So it is really effective. So most fiction stories, as you see, they put some good adjectives, adverbs, so that the reader can visualize what is happening, what it is like. All right. So through this extract, we can know what is going on in that village. So it is a nice way of writing. All right. Now I will go to next, number 4. Look at these adjective plus noun. Adjective plus nouns. Why do you think the author chose these particular adjectives? Line number 30, whispering waves. Sand, silvery sand. Foam, creamy foam. Wait. Here, creamy Creamy is a sort of color. Nobody mentioned that. Creamy is a sort of color. Do you know cream color?
Yes.
Yes,
It's
creamy.
like white.
Yes, sort of. So creamy is a sort of color. You can put it in color. So in number 2, you can put creamy. Okay, let's go back to number 4. So the question says, why do you think the author chose these particular adjectives? Why? Who knows?
To describe the looks of
It is concerned with literature, actually. I have given you the prompts. I will show you something. Can you see my shares? Wait a minute. Whispering waves, silvering sand, creamy foam. The third one, just skip it for a while. The first one and the second one, what do you notice? When you put adjectives, you need to consider this point too. It is called alliteration. What? Whispering waves, silvering sand. All right. When you choose some words, you need to consider alliteration. It is something concerned with literature. Oh, sorry. Alliteration. You can consider some adjectives and adverbs that have alliteration, which is nice. So concerning alliteration, Mike, will you please give me another example? The same letter at the beginning of the adjacent words. Who wants to try?
Me, teacher.
Yeah, say.
I think sweet smelling spider lily.
Ah, nice. Sweet smelling spider lily. So in this case, there are 3, right? Sweet smelling spider. Yes, that is sort of alliteration. When you choose the words, you need to consider alliteration too. Some words have some similar beginning sounds, then you can choose. It is better. Bossy Bob, that way. Any other?
Morph waves.
Huh? Say louder.
Morph waves.
More.
Move.
Move. Move waves. It is not alliteration because it doesn't have the similar beginning initial sound, right?
White wings.
White.
White wings or fin. The line number maybe 35.
Line number 35. Yes, you are right. White wings. White wings. Alliteration. And the other one is creamy foam. Creamy foam is not alliteration, but so in this case, you know, you can how should I say? You can visualize the color of the foam. The color of the foam. That's why in the third one, creamy is used. So the question is, why do you think the author chose these particular adjectives? So you are given 3 words. There are more words, and Tashwin has already mentioned one in line number 34, white winds. Okay, everybody underline. Any other?
Fishing,
Sorry,
fishing fleet.
where?
In line number 33.
In line number 33. Oh, the fishing fleet, correct. Fishing fleet. Fishing fleet, white winds. Any other example? Could you please find more alliteration?
If slanting ray counted as alliteration,
Which one?
slanting ray,
Line number?
27. Long slanting rays over the silvery sand.
No, it's not.
Oh,
Nice adjectives, right? Long slanting rays. You are describing the rays. Although it is not alliteration, that the writer uses the adjectives to visualize things clearly.
what
The
about
sun lit up the pink.
Where? So that everybody can see.
31.
Line number 31. Whispering waves. It is mentioned. I think.
No, the sun lit up the pink.
The sun lit up the pink, but there's no alliteration. Alliteration that repeats the same sound. I show you already the same alliteration. It repeats the same sound, like whispering waves. What? Silvering sand. Sa.
is fishing fleet counted as just normal or alliteration? Line number,
Yeah, we have already discussed.
oh,
Fishing fleet is included. Fa.
Bright weather yellow.
Bright better. Yes, correct. Bright better yellow. Everybody, line number 10, 11. Bright better. Yes. Anything else?
Yeah, how about high tide?
Height and tide. How can it be? No. So I will summarize. You have mentioned some. Everybody, have you sweet smelling spider? It is correct. And bright butter yellow almond. So here bright butter. And next one is line number 30 or silvery sand. Line number 28. Silvery sand. And next one is 30, 31, whispering waves. And next one is line number 33, fishing fleet. 34, white wings. I hope you have already underlined these. All right, they are called alliteration. So, creaming foam. Creaming foam, you put, yeah, you could say foam, but you put adjective like creamy so that you can visualize the color. Creaming foam. So the question says, why do you think the author chose these particular adjectives? Why? Everybody, whispering waves, silvering sand. So what does it create? It creates that there may be several reasons. So the common reason is like, why do we use alliteration? Why do we use these words? Why do you think the author choose these words? My simple answer is to create a rhythm. By the way, do you know rhythm? Silvering sand, whispering waves, like this. You know, those who love singing, they know the rhythm. So here, alliteration. The author chose these particular adjectives to create rhythm. Anything else?
To make the writing more interesting.
Yeah, that, and the other common reason. So to make the writings more interesting, yes. And how about the writer wants to emphasize some words. Instead of saying waves, the writer uses whispering waves. Describe, you know, the writer describes more. What kind of waves? Whispering. What kind of sand? Silvery. So the other purpose can be like to emphasize certain words. In writing, you would like to emphasize one noun. You would like to emphasize a noun. You need to consider some adjectives. It may be color, or maybe smell, or maybe the other description. So to emphasize some certain words. Certain words mean like, you know, waves, sand, foam, the landscape words. Anything else? So
To make reader visualize well.
yeah, that is possible. To make readers visualize vividly in their mind. Okay, you can choose any answer as you like. Maybe more than one is okay. The possible answers. Let's go to number 5. Are you finished, by the way? And concerning create rhythm, I can put mood and tone. to create rhythm, mood, and tone. You know, you could learn the mood of the writer through some words. All right. So you have to analyze. Sometimes you have to analyze the text. What is the mood of the writer? Something like that. So you should know. You can learn if the writer uses good adjectives, it means that the writer has good attitude to those things, right? So like this. So mood, tone. All right. Creaming foam, it is concerned with to emphasize some certain words for creaming foam. Whispering waves and silvery sun, they are alliteration. I have given you one technical word, alliteration. Why? To create rhythm, mood, and tone, to make the readers visualize vividly in their mind. It is something concerned with both. Okay, let's go to number 5. Kevin, can you read?
Hello.
Read.
Number 5, right? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Number
Yes. Write a description of an early morning visit to a visit to a beautiful place near where you live, as if for the opening chapter of.
Kevin, I think you're making wrong. I let you read number 5. We have finished up to 4. Are you with me? What are you?
Yes.
Number 5.
The 5 senses
Senses.
are sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell.
Smell.
Smell. Which one does the author appeal to in this extract?
Appeal to in this extract. Extract means the test, the reading test. Everybody, when I read this test, I could visualize what Lila was doing at the beach, right? So through the words, very clear. So yeah, there are 5 senses, as I think you have already learned when you were young. All right, sense of sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. In this reading test, which sense is mainly does the author appeal to?
I think it's the sight.
So if you know the meaning of appeal to, how do you understand by appeal to?
I think they mean by like, how can I say it? More interested in, or like shown more.
Yes. Interest. So which senses does the author appeal to? Yeah. Faria, could you please repeat your answer?
I think like the writer appeal more of the sight and touch.
Yeah, first of all, sight. Why do you think sight?
Because of they visualize.
Say louder.
Because of the writer, they visualized well.
Because of the use of words.
Yes.
The use of words that describe things.
Yes.
For
Yes.
example, yeah, the writer uses color. Do you notice that? Color and some adjectives that shows the rhythm. So it shows that it is for sight. Sight. Yes, correct. So another point that you need to notice is that the author appeals to the sense of sight. In this test, did the author use the words that are related to sound? Come on, say. I don't notice those words in the test, the words that are related to sound. So sound is impossible, right? Okay, and Maria said touch. Maria, why do you want to choose touch?
Because the creamy phoneme or the whispering rhythms, I think is about touch.
Yeah, because of the rain, I could not hear clearly. Could you please say louder?
Because of they mentioned about the creamy form of the scent, and also they mentioned about like the whispering waves. I think in my opinion, whispering waves is like, the waves hit you slowly. That's what I
Wait,
wrote.
I couldn't hear. I could not hear. Wait. Wait. Because of the rain, I could not hear. Priya, could you please try saying something?
Okay, so the first thing that I noticed is that they used about the creamy phoneme, and also the second thing is that I wrote like whispering waves. I think whispering waves, in my opinion, means that the waves are slowly coming over you. That's why I wrote touch.
Whispering wave, is it concerned with touch or sound?
I'm not sure. That's why I thought it was touch.
Any other? Do you see any word that is related to taste? How about smell?
Yes.
Yes. Concerning smells, where do you see?
Line number 10.
Somebody is saying.
Line number 10. Sweet smell and about the flower.
Yeah. Line number 10, sweet smelling spider leaves. So it means that it has nice smell, right? So according to that word, that we can see that the writer appeals to the smell. Taste. Do you see taste? Any word that is related to taste? Dileta, do you see taste?
No, teacher.
The words that are related to taste. How about touch?
Yes.
Concerning touch, you could not see the words.
Rushing over her feet.
Where?
And line number 15.
Came rushing over her feet. So it can be checked. So everybody look at line number 15. The waves that came rushing over her feet, that is concerned with touching. So you can take in account touch because of that word. How about sound? I think whispering waves, that is concerned with sound. I didn't see that it is, yeah, actually it is concerned with sound. So I will put the writer's choice of words are related to sight, sound, touch, and smell. You are given number 5. You are given the task to do number 5. Write a description of an early morning visit to a beautiful place near where you live, as if for the opening chapter of a story. Supposing you are asked to write a story, so at that time you have to start, right? You would like to introduce the setting at the beginning, what was happening. You can learn, yeah, you are given the very big test. Supposing you have arrived at the beach, at a very beautiful beach in the early morning, and you could describe the situation, the time when you arrived at the beach. You could use some words described in the text. I want you to write about 5 sentences in your notebook. You can learn the sample test, the village by the sea. Will you please write? Do you know what to do? Jelida, what do you have to do? Tell me again.
Like we have to write the paragraph.
About what?
About the early morning.
Visit to a
Visit to a beautiful place near where you have to live.
Yeah, it may be maybe the beach, or maybe a small village, or maybe at the foot of the mountain, whatever. You can talk about that. About 5 sentences only. Okay, start doing now. Don't forget to use vocabulary, good adjectives. You need to appeal to the words that are related to the 5 senses. Yeah, teacher saying I have already sent the 2 worksheets to Telegram. You can download. Who is ready? Maria, have you finished?
Thanks, Haley. I'm almost done.
Champagne, could you present?
Teacher, I'm not ready yet.
Mhm.
Teacher, I'm not ready yet.
And how many sentences should it be?
I told you wrong about 5 sentences because it says like
Only 5?
yeah,
Oh,
that's why only an early morning visit to a beautiful place. If you could write more than 5, it is okay, but not very.
I am done, so I thought it was a lot. That's all.
Could you please read out slowly? I would like to listen.
Okay, so the morning starts with orange sun slowly appearing with slanting light rays. Steady fresh breeze continue its way as the leaves take part in to reach their annual destination. Upon the high ground of rocks, you'll see mountain valleys as the stairways of heaven when you slip one's careless feet. The green tall grass search for its Kazuma while the snails get up slowly to anticipate in the grass wish. The splashing sound from the small pond of a little frog can be heard by steps away from the bridge. Different shaped fish and creatures wander around the water like a loosened kite in the sky. Beautiful leaves wave to people as the path gets narrower from each steps taken, leading onto the peak of the mountain with breathtaking scenery. The little flowers blooming in a line persuade the mountain climber to not climb down back as the chirping unique birds take part in. Naturally made wood bench awaits for you to take a rest like they're welcoming you with the comfort during your endless mountain climbing journey. The end, the climbers will sadly say goodbye to the little sociable bugs from the bunch and return back to the journey with full energy given by the entertainment of little puppies playing near the bush. Self-alter.
Nice. You have used some good adjectives. It's interesting. Next one, who wants to try? I'm Chambai. Can you?
No, teacher.
Can I try, teacher? Okay.
Read slowly.
Okay. Waves, the sounds, the touch, and the sight. It's the first thing I remember about that early morning, and I can hear its sounds day to day, waves. I shut my eyes, visualize the scenes, and I'm back in that morning a few months ago. A few minutes ago, watching the ocean step our balcony and the scents of fancy flowers everywhere. And suddenly, I ran and walked down on the beautiful beach with the coconut tree lines, and the waves randomly touched my feet. And it might have started right there and then. The reflection pale blue of the sky painted across the oceans. Gentle breeze whispered through my hairs and ears, carrying with the sounds of the oceans, and the powdery sands whispering waves inviting beneath bare feet, and the gravel path that leads to the hotel cottage. Every stride already yelling, it's beach. And this time a special actor, another exciting.
Okay. You have understood what to do. You have created the situation with good words. Very nice. Next one. I'm Chambai. Su Yitong. Hello. Quickly. How about Sinanyu?
Almost, teacher.
Quickly. How about touch tracing?
No, teacher.
Su Yitong.
I haven't finished.
Ta Su Ao, Su Mei. So Ming, would you like to try?
Yes. In the as soon as you wake up, you can see the breathtaking view of the snow-covered mountains around the window, and also you can listen to the whispering sound of the domestic whispering sound of the waves in the ocean, which is full of domestic and colorful fish. Colorful fish, but resting near the beach. Moreover, you can went on you can go sightseeing in the botanical garden, which is full of sweet smelling flower, especially the main attraction of the new breed of the mauve orchid. And after all, this beach is really amazing, and after all, that beach was really amazing and full of interesting places.
Samuel, would you like to try? Vanessa? Sweet Tong?
Yes.
Okay, Vanessa, can you?
As the sun began to rise, I embarked on a chilly morning. I journeyed to a peaceful destination. The crisp morning air carried the delightful. This is so good morning.
I could not hear clearly. Say louder because of your background noise. Sweet Tong. Samuel. Come on, quickly.
I will try, teacher.
Yes, try.
The time is only 5:30 a.m. and I am in the park. I'm waiting for the sun to rise. I'm waiting for the sun to rise. For it is Sunday. I do not expect many people so early, but I'm beginning to see signs of life. Slowly, the birds begin to sing. The sun has been rising. The sky has turned gold with the sun's rays. The tree against the light looks magnificent.
Magnificent.
Magnificent. Magnificent. They are still new humans except me. I listen to the orchestra of the birds as they greet the dawn. The time is now about 6:30 a.m. and the sun is up. And then I finally hear the first sound of a human.
Samuel, it is interesting, but please check page 148, the village by the sea. Which tense is used?
Mm.
Check.
Sight,
Look at the verbs. Hmm?
sight,
Tense is used. Past tense or present simple?
past tense,
Past tense. How about your writing? Is that
Um,
past tense or present simple?
present simple.
So please change. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I have listened to some students writing, so you know what you have to do. Yeah, you are right. Although there are some errors, in general, you know how to describe the scenes. Yeah. So it is interesting. I will stop here. By the way, I would like to make it sure. I gave you homework yesterday. I think I did. All right. I could not check your homework today, right? So tomorrow, Friday, yeah, I will check your homework. And I would like to give more homework. Page 150 and 151. Just a little review of units 17 and 18. I have finished unit 17 and 18, so I can give you homework. Page 17 and 18. 2 pages, but not a lot. Just for reviewing the units, 2 units. Do you know what to do? Course book, the last 2 pages, 150 and 151. Homework. Any question?
No.
Okay, I will stop here. Bye bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye bye. See you.
Align teacher.